Want to hear how God made everything in the whole wide world? It's amazing. Let's jump back to the very beginning.
In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth had no shape. It was empty, dark, and still. But God was there. And God said, "Let there be light." And just like that, light appeared. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And God saw that the light was good. On day 2, God made the sky, the big, bright space above the waters. On day 3, dry land appeared, and God made grass, flowers, and trees grow. So many colors, so much life. On day 4, God made the sun to shine by day, and the moon and stars to shine at night. On day 5, God filled the sky with birds, and the seas with swimming, splashing fish. On day 6, God made animals of every kind. Then, God made people, in his own image. God looked at everything he had made, and said, "It is very good." On the 7th day, God had finished his work, so he rested. He blessed the 7th day and made it holy, because on that day, God rested from all he had made.
Whoa! God made the whole world in just 6 days.
Wow!
And then he rested. Even God took a break. What's your favorite thing God made? Don't forget to subscribe for more Bible stories in 3D. Bye!